Hey guys, Mr. Goliath here. We're taking a look at day 2 of Brushninja, which will also be our last day, but should be a fun one. We're doing a walk cycle, which is kind of like something you can do in any animation. It's kind of a popular thing to create what it looks like to actually walk. So open the 8-frame walk cycle here. I would have it open and pause, maybe somewhere like here, or towards the end they have all 8 images, and you could pause there. And then I would have Brushninja opened. You're obviously going to start a new one, so it's going to ask to erase. You're going to click OK, and then you're ready to go. So today you're using the pen tool, and you know it's going to take some doing. Actually, I would have used the circle tool first, and then start making my stick figure. But I would just keep coming back and forth. You know, just looking at that, one adjustment I'd make off the start, I'd start over and I'd pick a much thicker pen to use as I'm drawing mine. I'd probably even go thicker than that. And then what I would do is, you know, once you're done, you're going to click the new frame button again. And then what I certainly would do is I'd keep the onion skin on so you can see it faintly here. So then I'm able to move it. So if I look, because on some of these it goes, you can notice it goes a little bit lower as it says down. So then I can just start working on that image, you know, down, and maybe I'm going to make the head just a little bit lower. And again, if I was really doing this, I would come in and use the circle tool. It'd be much, much easier, but it's up to you. This is going to be your creation. Also, it does talk about as you start leveling up, if we scroll down, having another object, whether it's a cloud or a tree, so you can draw, you know, something like that. The Finder one says you could even have a second moving character if you can level up that far. Remember, you can pick the different colors here, you know, as you're doing your drawing. So just want you to be aware of that. And then remember, you could still come back into the other frames, and you know, maybe you end up with, well, you're going to end up with at least 8, right, for your cycle, and you could add objects back in and kind of go from there. So finally, we click export just like before, animated GIF. Click export, and then eventually in your lower left-hand corner you'll get to hit save, and it'll download it there, and it'll be in your downloads. So good luck and enjoy and have some fun with this one.